What is on the world of Facebook today? I wonder if she's still giving away that Cricut she was talking about. Let me go check and see. Oh, she is. It's still available. Oh, and there's a number to call. Let me make sure it is available. I'm gonna call. Sometimes I don't update these listings.
Hello?
Hello?
What?
Hi, good morning. I was just calling about the free Cricut that you were talking about and wanted to know if it was still available.
I mean, yeah, it is available, yeah.
Okay, awesome. Well, I'm interested in getting it and I would like to have it.
Yeah, you can have it. I'm gonna need $100 for shipping, though.
Huh?
I said you can have it, but I'm gonna need $100 for shipping, though. Y'all shut up back there. I'm on the phone.
I'm sorry. I think there was a misunderstanding. The post that you made didn't mention shipping or anything. You just said it was free.
I mean, the machine is free, ma'am. The machine.
All right, but the post didn't say that.
The machine is free.
But the post didn't say that.
So you need to pay $100.
Okay. Hey, so I also noticed, based off the map, that, we live almost in the same city. We're like a city apart, so maybe I could just come by and get it so we don't have to worry about shipping.
Ma'am, nobody can come by my house, ma'am. Nobody can come by my house. I mean, the machine is free, ma'am. The machine.
I mean, maybe I could just come by and get it.
Nobody can come by my house, ma'am. Nobody can come by my house.
Because I'm a city over?
I got a man and 7 kids. Ain't nobody
so we don't have to worry about shipping?
Ain't nobody come to my house, okay? Pay the $100 of shipping. Send it out to Ray Ray. He my friend. Send it out to him.
Okay, wait. Why am I paying someone else other than you? Is that person the seller?
I'm the one that made the post. I am the seller, ma'am.
Okay, so you're the seller who advertised. I
mean, the machine is free, ma'am.
So you're the seller who advertised giving away something free, and now all of a sudden got to pay shipping.
Send it out to Ray Ray. He my friend. Send it out to him.
Okay, but you sound like a scammer. Is this a scam?
No one is scamming, ma'am. Nobody said it was scamming. I just need $100. I just want $100.
It sounds like a scam.
I got 7 kids.
You know what? I'm not going to give you the time of day. You're wasting my time now. Okay, all right.
Understand the pause.
So much for that free Cricut. It is so annoying, okay? I just... Okay, this woman's time got wasted. She really wanted this machine. Some people be trying to have you pay through other people. And it's like, who are these other people? Because I was talking to you. And I'm trying to make a transaction with you. Her husband will be crossed if she sells it. So I'm like, are you secretly selling it? Hi Zoidies, and welcome back to another video on Plannerzoid, where I like to talk, be cute, and be crafty and creative. How y'all doing today? I hope y'all doing okay. I just want to say hey, and we about to get started with, hold on, I got my fan this time. People's asses just won't stop scamming. It is so annoying, okay? Either way, I want to make this video to bring more awareness again, because the last one I did was more scamming about like in the planner communities, regards to like planner supplies and goods and stickers. But this time it's more catered to craft communities, because people like to scam with their cutting machines, okay? Can we not? First off, I don't do secondhand cutting machines, okay? Because I tried to get into it, and apparently if you're already like signed into it and used it, it's kind of hard to already like give it away to someone else, especially when you already logged onto it. I don't know how that process works, but I tried to give my friend my machine and thought I could. Then I tried to be on the phone with them and everything, and it just made it sound like there was nothing they could do. I ended up getting a whole new machine that I was gonna keep for myself, but I gave it to her. God damn it, I spoiled my friend. I love my friend, y'all. Check out Beva Luna. She makes very cute, whimsical jewelry. I meant to wear some today, but honestly, I just rolled out of bed and started filming, okay? This is so annoying, but I'm going to read this. And I don't want to put any names only because else's names are there, if that makes sense. This is Facebook, so you know how everyone uses their real names and stuff. So I'm not going to put names with posts and stuff. I'm kind of just going to go over it, summarize it, and then we're going to talk about it. Because why? Stop scamming people. That's so lame. Like, oh, please be wary. A member of this group was offering a Cricut 3 for free.
Criminal offense.
That sounds too good to be true. If y'all don't know each other like that, like, she was my best friend. So that's why I was like, girl, take my Cricut because I have another one. But a stranger, But now that I know, like, with being signed in and stuff, like, it makes it harder to give it away. Just get your own Cricut machine and have your own sign in. Seriously. Any kind of cutting machine. Because once you sign in, it's literally yours. Like, once you register that machine, it's not even about signing in. It's about registering that machine. It's yours. And it's hard to try to just give it away to someone. But once again, I don't fully know the process, but I did struggle. Okay, let me finish reading because there I go. A member of this group was offering a Cricut 3 for free. I messaged asking for it. We all love a freebie, don't we? Yes, we do. She would not accept a friend request and her account only has 2 photos on it. She claimed to live 20 minutes away from me, but would not allow me to collect from her, saying she was gifted it by her daughter and her husband would be cross if she is giving it away. Wait, hold on. Saying she was gifted it by her daughter and her husband would be cross, she is giving it away. So is she secretly giving it away without her husband knowing or something? She will only send through UPS. In the UK, we rarely use UPS. The PayPal address was foreign account, euro currency. When I questioned this, she said it was her daughter's account and she lives in USA. Well, they use dollars, not euros. She insisted on payment through family and friends, meaning very little protection for me. Whew. Okay, told me she is disabled and not able to get out to post, but would not allow me to collect. Claimed not to have the funds to pay postage until I sent her daughter the money. I offered to pay her after she sent me the postage tracking details. All in all, it's just a bit fishy and would hate for others to fall for it. Then her sister, she put it in quotes, messaged me. This is a screenshot of her sister's messages. I have reported the conversation, so let's see what happens. I did not send any money. Hello, why are you reporting my sister as a scammer on Facebook? Just because she is so kind and good for her generosity and giving a Cricut machine out. If you can't pay for postage, why can't you move ahead and forget about the machine instead of referring to her as a scammer? Do you think everyone is into scams? So there's some things to unpack here. So I said it in the last time I did this kind of video, and I will say it again. Before you go looking to purchase something from someone on Facebook through the Facebook groups, and I'm speaking for pretty much just planning and crafting and paper craft groups because that's all I know, but other groups probably have the same thing. You can search their name in the group and you can see their history of sales and comment.
Bombastic side eye.
You can also take a look at their profile. Now, mind you, I don't care too much about the profile as long as it's not like this person said, only 2 photos. I think it kind of depends on the photos because, like, for example, a lot of my older family members, they only have like a couple of photos on their profile, but it is like a picture of them and it still looks, you know, okay. So I don't know what kind of photos and I'm not finna go look. You have to look up their name and check them out first before you try to go buying from them. Before you even go to try to message them, wasting your time. This woman's time got wasted. She really wanted this machine and now she's saying she can't get it. She had a chance to just come by and just get it and now she's talking about, no, don't come by. But either way, let me read some of the comments because some of the comments also tie into this. This happened to me in another group. Oh, how I wish I could remember her name. It just didn't feel right or sound right from the start. I played along for a short time until she started pressuring me. I didn't know to report her, so I'm hoping this isn't the same person. Sure sounds like it though. I'm happy you didn't get taken. It was probably for the better that she didn't even try to go to her house, because who is this person? Do they even live where they say they live? And this, my friends, is why owners of groups ask the silly questions you all hate to answer when you ask to join our groups, to keep people like this from taking advantage of you all. So answer the questions, and buy and sell on secured sites. We try to weed them out. I hate people that try to take advantage of others. Have a blessed day, be safe. Never ever send money to anyone on Facebook telling you a sob story. Oh my God, that's another thing right there. I'm not saying that people can't have a story. You know what I'm saying? And people go through things. So I ain't gonna dismiss that. But we do have to be careful on certain sob stories, okay? Yeah, definitely. Somebody posted like a picture of a guide to look for. Oh, this is nice. So only pay via PayPal goods or services, PayPal invoice. So yes, a lot of times reputable people who are selling their stuff on Facebook, usually it's through like PayPal. So if somebody says like Cash App or just give them cash or whatever, get something secure, something that has a paper trail or a digital trail of whatever, screen trail, whatever. Get something that is protected. So if something happens, you will be able to track it, do a claim, whatever. Number 2, never follow any links a seller sends you. Go directly to your PayPal account to log in. Pay directly from there. Yeah. Do not pay via Zelle, Cash App, Venmo, Facebook, MetaPay, gift cards, check. Oof. Do not fall for hard sales tactics. I have to use friends and family because PayPal has a 21-day hold on my funds. Oh, yeah, I know. Yeah. Some people be trying to have you pay through other people. And it's like, who are these other people? Because I was talking to you and I'm trying to make a transaction with you. I'm not going to lie. I'm stuck on the fact that her husband will be crossed if she sells it. So I'm like, are you secretly selling it? I'm just curious. I'm stuck on that part. Number 5, does the payment information match the name on a financial account? That's something to check for. Number 6, paying their sister, aunt, husband, mom, run. It is 2025. Everyone has their own accounts. Now, mind you, I do be trying to give benefit of the doubt. I'm not gonna lie, but I feel the same way. Like, why can't I send the money to you? Number 7, does the Venmo or PayPal appear new? Do they have friends, a lot of transactions? Number 8, is their profile new? Is there an @ in front of their name? Likely a fake profile. Oh, okay, see. I don't know about that part. They said, is their profile new? Is there an @ in front of the name? Likely a fake profile. Are they a consultant? Go to the company's page and check it out. Look for other business pages they have. I said pages. Look for other business pages they have. Some accounts are cloned, so be smart. Oh man, yeah, that part. You gotta watch out those accounts because people keep making more and more accounts. Is it too good to be true? Pricing too low for the market? Use phrases like, I don't know what it's worth. Or they are selling for the deceased mom, aunt. Follow your gut. Yeah, if you don't feel right about it, don't even do it. 11, respond, PM me to your in search of posts. Multiple people have a hard... Wait, this sentence is giving me a stroke. To find item. Okay, hold on, let me read it one more time, y'all. Y'all know how to do it. Response, PM me to your in search of ISO post. Multiple people have a hard to find item. Just no, don't do it. I'm really computer savvy and keenly aware of fraud, but even with all of that, scammers are getting so sophisticated that I must be extra super diligent and wary of everything. One of the latest scams is that PayPal accounts are being hacked and the scammers use a legitimate PayPal account to collect money from a scam, take the money and disappear. Now you have to make sure that the PayPal account matches the person of the transaction. Oh yes, it's scary. These times are scary. And scamming, like I said, has been going on forever, of course, but it's like, it's just worse now. It's just, And I'm making these videos to bring out awareness because I'm not playing with y'all asses. I want y'all to be careful out here. We're at a point where like people can legit just steal your identity and they don't even have to be like, they don't have to know you. Like, it's really scary. This person will ask for money for post mail, fake. He's from Africa and not a lady. He messaged me and asked me to buy him a card. I offered to pay the sender. He won't take. It said she's disabled and U.S. parcel will get it from her house. Wait. Liar. U.S. parcel doesn't pick up parcel to send. They have to weigh it. Search her friends first. Cricut is $500. I see CD. I wonder if that means Canadian dollars. I don't know what CD is. No way. She showed me the box ready to go. Watch out, it's a bit scam. That's how they get you too. They'll have like, they'll probably have like an empty box or something, or a screenshot just showing you like, oh, I have it here, like it's real. But yeah, gotta be careful. Oh my goodness. I reported her to Facebook, but apparently it doesn't go against their rules. A joke. Oh, Facebook rules are a joke. I used to send lots of, I don't want to read this one. I'm going to skip this comment. I was also very nearly scammed by her. I really thought she was genuine. I was gutted. I wanted to bring it to everyone's attention, but I didn't know which group she was a part of. And that's another thing. A lot of these scammers are part of multiple groups. So just because it happened in this group doesn't mean it won't happen in your group. A lot of these scammers are in multiple groups and they're getting multiple people at the same time. And some of these scammers even have multiple people working together, acting as one person. Okay. And apparently this person also posted text messages, but I'm not gonna read all this. This is a lot, but you know, posting the messages for proof, just, you know, putting out awareness. All of these free giveaways are scams. They ask you to pay postage and then never heard from again until they start trying to steal and use personal data they get from your transaction. These profiles are usually hack accounts too. Best action is to report to Facebook and block. Yeah, definitely. Because when I give stuff away, I try to handle the shipping and everything, unless it's just like something huge and I might need help. And if I do need help, I say something right away. But usually I try to handle the shipping and everything myself. If you're giving it to them, they shouldn't have to pay at all, in my opinion. Also, if there is some kind of payment, mention it in the beginning. Like, hey, I want to give this Cricut machine away. I'm willing to give it away for free. However, I need someone to help me pay for postage or something. Establish it now so there's no issues. Don't say, oh, it's free, I'm just giving it away, whatever. And then later on, hey, can you help me pay for postage, please?
Bombastic side eye. Criminal
Ma'am,
offensive.
I see this kind of offer in just about every craft group. They're all scams. Advertised as free, just to have to pay postage. What I just said. Ain't that crazy? That you will never see again. Please don't send money to requests like this. You get my point. You know what? We're gonna stop here because there's an ass of comments under this. And usually it's like that. Anytime someone is trying to report someone or put out awareness, there's always a bunch of comments. This is a very long forum and I won't be reading all these. Bringing out awareness again, because the video's getting long, so let me finish. But, you know, bringing out awareness. I just want you guys to be safe when shopping at these places. And that's everywhere, even big corporations. Like y'all, I purchased a gift around the holiday time last year for my husband. And he sent me the listing. He was like, hey, get it from here. And that's what I did, right? I should have looked into it myself. They never shipped it. Now, luckily, I was able to hit up Amazon and get stuff back. But like, what a waste of time. So it ultimately ended up in him not getting the gift that he ultimately wanted. And that was the only time I could actually get it. Yes, I was pissed off. Like, it's just not fair. I think it's stupid. I think it's just like, why waste everybody fucking time because your ass is too lazy to go work or figure something out, or your ass just don't feel like going to make more money, or I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. Some people just get off on making people miserable and stealing shit from them. But before I go on a tangent, because I can feel it. Let me break it down. I can feel it. Before I go on a tangent, I'm gonna get off this video. But I just wanted to bring awareness and I want you guys to be careful out there, okay? Thank you guys for watching this episode of Planner Tea. And I hope y'all stay safe if y'all are looking for secondhand goods especially. And stay tuned for another video.